Hi, it's me again. Well, I keep videotaping all these different shots and taking all these pictures. I finally made it up to the top of the tower, the Duomo, and you just gotta see this because it's pretty amazing. And it's probably the best view of anything in the entire world that I've ever seen, pretty much. So here we go, take a look. And here's Mary. Welcome to Florence, Italy. So beautiful. There's a little square right there, the carousel. And over here somewhere is our hotel, right around there somewhere, I believe. Yeah, it's just beautiful. We can take a little walk around, show you the rest of the view. Still pretty good.
여기서 한번 찍어볼까 우리가?
Top of the top.
Und jetzt konnten wir es gerade hitzemäßig noch ertragen. Nachher traut man sich hier gar nicht mehr.
Attends, il y a une petite place.
L'autre c'était le...
Ça en bas, c'est la basilique de San Lorenzo.
And that's pretty much it. We're back to where we started. Thanks everyone for letting me take this trip. I really love it. And I love you guys and I miss you. See you soon. Bye.